Pneumatic supplies drum twisters from model 1600 to model 4200, which can realize cable structures such as 3-core, 4-core, 5-core, 4+1 core, 3+2 core, etc., and can also be used for the production of semiconductors. Lintop's drum twisters effectively extend the production range of wires and cables. These stranding equipment are relatively advanced in recent years, with high production efficiency and with speed generally higher than 30 meters per minute. The payoff bobbin can rotate synchronously with the take-up stand and can also be fixed without rotating to realize back twisting or non-back twisting. The payoff stand is of fork cantilever structure driven by an individual motor which can rotate synchronously with the rotating take-up stand. The payoff tension is pneumatically controlled and can be adjusted arbitrarily in the stopping and running state, as well as mechanical friction type or motorized payoff. The drum twister can have a dual-type wrapping unit as user's optional choice for steel-type armoring, copper-type wrapping, or non-metallic type wrapping. The wrapping unit is designed with a tangential structure driven by an individual AC motor and controlled by a frequency converter and can be rotated in S-D direction. The type tension is controlled through mechanical friction. The equipment has the function of mechanical tension feedback, which can ensure that the type tension is kept constant during the wrapping process from full type to empty. The wrapping machine will automatically stop when the type breaks or runs out. Optional steel wire copper wire armoring is also available and can be used to produce steel wire armoring or copper wire shielding. The whole-of rotor and tie-cap rotor share one rotating motor, achieving synchronous rotation through mechanical transmission. A pneumatic butterfly brake is included. The upper and lower whole-of wheels are driven by variable frequency motors. The whole-of spade is steplessly adjustable. The rotating tie-cap stand has a forked supporting roller structure driven directly by an individual motor through a synchronous belt. The traversing pitch is set on the control panel with left-right shifting and point motion functions. The traversing direction can be switched automatically, enabling fast movement. Technical parameters can be set, displayed, and modified in real time on the touch screen. The PLC calculates various operational data according to the process, ensuring accurate process execution. Fault types and locations are displayed on the touch screen to reduce maintenance time. The entire machine is driven by individual motors designed with advanced technology, a reasonable structure, and aesthetically pleasing appearance, easy operation, high reliability, and strong maintainability. The main drive motor, payoff motor, and traversing motor are all AC variable frequency motors controlled by industrially advanced frequency converters. Using the internationally recognized Profibus protocol for communication, the machine achieves seamless transmission of large amounts of real-time data, such as control commands and operational statuses. With years of experience in drum twister development, Lintop's drum twister with rotary caterpillar integrates the production technology of several leading cable manufacturers. The equipment can be customized with metallic or non-metallic typing units, steel wire armoring, filling, and longitudinal typing units to meet various process requirements.